Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is past perfect continuous tense in grammar book lesson 8. Students, in previous lesson we have studied about present perfect continuous tense. The definition is the past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about the continuation of an action in the distant past before another action. Means past perfect continuous tense or past perfect progressive tense is used to describe an ongoing action that started in past and continued for some time in past. So, the past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about the continuation of an action in the distant past before another action. Urdu identification. Students, if we get the Urdu words like rahe the, raha tha, rahi thi, etc. in the end of the Urdu sentence and the time duration mentioned in the Urdu sentence, then we should understand that this is past perfect continuous tense, that we have to convert it into English according to the structure. Structure will be, we use the auxiliary had been plus present participle means first form of verb plus ing with I, you, we, they, he, she, it and all singular and plural nouns. We use auxiliary had. We know what is been. Been is third form of be. Word be shows the continuation. Structure of affirmative or simple sentence of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus auxiliary had plus been plus present participle plus object plus since or for plus time duration plus full stop. We know that since or for are the prepositions. Prepositions since is used to refer to a specific point in time. For is used for a period of time. Structure of negative sentence: subject plus auxiliary had plus not plus been plus present participle plus object plus since or for plus time duration plus full stop. Interrogative sentence. Students, we write auxiliary in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then been, then present participle, then object, then since or for plus time duration plus full stop. Must put full stop in the structure of interrogative sentences for past perfect continuous tense. Come to exercise A. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs to make past perfect continuous tense. We had been studying English for 1 year. The police had been chasing the gangster for 2 days. Students, here mentioned 2 days. That's why preposition for is used. Ahmed had been knocking at the door for half an hour. Mr. Rashid had been driving the car since night. The patient had been waiting for doctor since night. Students, night shows a specific point in time. That's why since, preposition since is used in the sentence for time duration. Exercise B. Change the following sentence into negative. We know that we write just a not between had and been. His old uncle on the deathbed had been calling him again and again. His old uncle on the deathbed had not been calling him again and again. The president had been speaking in the parliament for 2 hours. The president had not been speaking in the parliament for 2 hours. It had been raining heavily for a week. It had not been raining heavily for a week. His wounds had been bleeding since he had the accident. His wounds had not been bleeding since he had the accident. The gardener had been trimming the hedge for 2 hours. Exercise C. Change the following sentences into interrogative. She had been helping her neighbors since Monday. Had she been helping her neighbors since Monday? Since Monday, put question mark. We know that we write auxiliary had in the beginning of the sentence in the structure of past, in the structure of interrogative for past perfect continuous tense. The birds had been chirping in the garden since dawn. Had the birds been chirping in the garden since dawn? Aslam had been talking on his cell phone for an hour. For an hour. Had Aslam been talking on his cell phone for an hour? Put question mark. The family members had been reciting the Holy Quran for many days. Had the family members been reciting the Holy Quran for many days? Put question mark. They had been dealing their clients for last 10 years. Had they been dealing their clients? Exercise D. Translate the following sentences into English. मेरी बहन 1 घंटे से कपड़े धो रही थी. My sister had been washing clothes for 1 hour. दादी अम्मी रात से दुआ मांग रही थी. Grandmother had been praying since night. टैंक में पानी की सतह शाम से कम हो रही थी. The level of water in the tank had been decreasing since evening. Since evening, students. The level of water in the tank had been decreasing since evening. मजदूर 4 माह से इमारत तामीर कर रहे थे. The laborers had been constructing the building for 4 months. तालबात 1 हफ्ते से अंग्रेज़ी के तफवीज़ कार जमा करवा रही थी. The students had been submitting the English assignment for 1 week. Students, you will do this work in your grammar book by using ink pen or fountain pen. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Bring your grammar book to the school for checking. We have shared a link of calligraphy. Take the calligraphy classes. Stay safe at home. God bless you.